Hello students, in this video we are going to learn how to find the prime factors of 864 using prime factorization method. In prime factorization method, we divide numbers using prime numbers and find their factors. So let's divide 864 and find its prime factors. As 864 is an even number, it is easily divisible by first prime number 2. 2 times 4 is 8, 2 times 3 is 6 and 2 times 2 is 4. Again we can divide by 2, 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 1 is 2, 1 is remainder, this becomes 12, 2 times 6 is 12. 2 times 1 is 2, 1 is not divisible by 2, so we'll put a 0. And now we'll divide two numbers together, which is 16, 2 times 8 is 16. 2 times 5 is 10, 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 2 is 4, 1 is remainder, this becomes 14, 2 times 7 is 14. Now 27 is an odd number, it is divisible by next prime number 3. 3 times 9 is 27, 3 times 3 is 9 and 3 times 1 is 3. So the number is fully divided. All the numbers which are on the left hand side of the ladder are the prime factors of 864. So the prime factors of 864 are 2 times, 2 times, 2 times, 2 times, 2 times, 3 times, 3 times 3. These are all the prime factors of 864. So this is how we find the prime factors using prime factorization method. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching.